2. Blogging. If there's something that you're really passionate about, you can create a blog where you can talk about it regularly. This is a fun way in which you can share your passions while learning and teaching about what you're already excited about with like-minded people. In order to become a blogger, you would need to be a decent writer with the ability to write interesting, thought-provoking, or entertaining content. You would also need to be able to post fairly regularly to your blog so that it can grow and build a strong following. Blogs can make you money in several ways. Just some of the ways are to have people pay you to post their advertisements by using a search such as buyselads.com. This is best for blogs with a lot of traffic, or by putting Google AdSense ads on your blog. With this option, Google will pay you each time someone clicks on their advertisements on your blog. The amount of money you can earn per click will depend upon the topic of your blog and the competitiveness in the marketplace for advertising in your certain niche. A third option is to sell affiliate products related to the topic of your blog. If, for example, you had a blog about weight loss, you could locate a weight loss product that has an affiliate program, which you can find at clickbank.com, and either put banners up on your blog or promote it to your newsletter if you're collecting the email addresses of your visitors. In order for you to become a blogger, here are some steps you can take. First, you will need to choose a blogging platform. The most common and the one we highly recommend is WordPress. After you have your new blog looking how you like it, you can then start posting news, lessons, stories, articles, or anything relevant to your blog. Try to add new content as frequently as possible so that you build up a regular readership base. As Google and other search engines discover your blog, you should start to see more visitors coming into your blog as they find you via searches related to your blog topic. To get more free visitors from the search engines, your posts should contain keywords that people regularly search for on Google. Some other ideas to get more visitors are to post your new blogs in Facebook groups related to your niche, so people can share it around. Another option is to comment on established blogs related to yours, so that their readers can click on the website link in your comments and visit your blog. How much can I make out of blogging? It can take some time to establish a blog, but the profit potentials can be quite large. Your earnings will vary based on the amount of traffic you get, how interesting your content is, how often you post, and the types of advertisements you put on your blog. We run a travel-related blog where our main source of income are affiliate links for Booking.com and sponsored posts written by other authors, and we make around $400 from it per month.